South Africa versus Kenya. It's a battle of the best comfort food. Today we are diving into two beloved traditional dishes. Izinkobe from South Africa and Githeri from Kenya. Let's explore their history, ingredients, and unique flavors. Izinkobe is a simple yet nutritious dish made of boiled fresh maize kernel and beans. It's enjoyed across Zulu households for generations. It's often served with butter and salt for a hearty meal. Now, let's head to Kenya. Githeri is a flavorful mix of boiled maize and beans, sometimes cooked with spices, vegetables, or even meat. It's a staple in Kenyan homes, packed with protein and energy. Both dishes represent more than just food. They are a connection to heritage, community, and tradition. In Zulu culture, izinkobe is often shared at family gatherings or just a family meal, symbolizing simplicity and nourishment. Meanwhile, in Kenya, Githeri is a symbol of resilience, especially amongst small families, and school kids as well often enjoyed eating dairy for strength. Now, the big question: which dish do you want to try? South Africa's hearty izinkobe or Kenyan's flavorful Githeri? Let me know in the comments. And if you've tasted both, tell me which one wins the ultimate food battle. If you love exploring African cuisine, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more delicious cultural foods. See you next time on Ikishi Letu with Zulumama.